नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत करते हैं आज के हमारे इस वीडियो में। बिफोर आई स्टार्ट, आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू जस्ट गो थ्रू अवर फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड वीडियो एंड देन कम टू दिस थर्ड वीडियो। तो चलिए दोस्तों, शुरू करते हैं आज के हमारे थर्ड वीडियो को। So we will continue from that part which we have not discussed yet in our first and second video. Treasurer's functions. Functions of financial manager. Treasurer's functions and controller's functions. We'll discuss these functions in detail. Treasurer's functions given by Professor I.M. Pandey. We need to remember this name, Professor I.M. Pandey. He has done a very good job so far financial management is concerned. Plenty of students have been learning from his books. So, provision of finance. According to the need of business unit, a financial manager has to make some provisions for finance. Relations with investors. A financial manager has to keep very good relations with investors. It is very important nowadays to maintain good relationship with investors. Short-term financing. For the short-term requirements of the business, financial manager has to keep a bird eye on market opportunities for short-term financing. Banking and custody. Custody means possession of assets and care of assets. So financial manager has to coordinate with banks for receiving money and for disbursement of money, as well as has to work as a custodian of finance. Credit and collection. Financial manager has to decide the time duration for granting the credit and collection of accounts. Investments. On the basis of return generated by various investments opportunities, a financial manager decides the best investment options for the business and invests the surplus amount to generate good return on investments. It is also a very important function to protect the assets of the business, so insurance is necessary and financial manager gets the assets insured and gets them protected. Controller's functions given by Professor I.M. Pandey. Planning and control. So these are the two important tools, planning and control, that we have already learned in our earlier lectures. Reporting and interpreting. So I'll request you over here. So I request you to go through our earlier lectures to learn about planning and control of finance. Reporting and interpreting. Financial manager has to report to various departments and has to interpret the report, as well as he has to explain the reports to various departments also. Tax administration. Financial manager has to decide the policy about tax administration. Government reporting. Financial manager has to report to government. Protection of assets, as we have already learned through. Protection of assets. A financial manager has to protect the assets of the business, and that is the responsibility of a financial manager. Economic appraisal. There are various socio-economic policies of government, and a financial manager has to appraise those policies. He has to estimate about future effects of this appraisal on business.